In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I would like to show you how you can change screen timeout to never. First of all, open Play Store and install free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it. Now select OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, close your app and go into Tap menu. Now you need to tap on this pen at the top right corner. Hit Edit under Tap menu. Look for Caffeine shortcut and when you find it, hold it and drag it to the top. Then place it and hit Done. Now you need to go into Tap menu again and click on Caffeine shortcut. Finally, select this switcher next to Allow permission. Go back to Tap menu one last time and click on Caffeine to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!